You hush. Don't talk to me like that. Hey guys, long time no see. Let's try this again. I was trying to record and it just turned off on me. Froze actually. Good old GoPro. Anyways, we're out here doing a pressure washing job. Grandma's got the kids, so I came to work with Dad, with Scott. Let me just show you what we got going on. We've already done the house and we are doing the driveway and the walkway.
is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is Mallory.
Hey guys.
And Scott here. Just wanted to hop on real quick and let you know that we do have, finally, have shirts. We have merch. Well, I say merch, but just shirts. We will be doing a giveaway, give one away for free to one of you lucky subscribers, followers here. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, of course, the usual. And we might have the kids pick out a winner. I'm not quite sure yet. But yeah, also if you want one before that, where they are for sale, give us a shout. Instagram, Facebook, comment below, whatever you like.
All right, guys, we got her all finished up. Walkway looks good. And then the driveway looks good. Oh, look how shiny that is. Can't wait to see what it looks like when it's all dried up. This is a weekly custom of ours, so we'll be seeing it. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one.
Deuces.